How to use the Badoo People Nearby feature. First, open the Badoo app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Go to Discover at the bottom of your screen. This feature shows other Badoo users who are close to your location. Enable location service. If you haven't already, Badoo will ask you to enable location service. Make sure to tap allow so the app can show people nearby accurately. Scroll through the list of profile. You can see photo, age, distance, and bio. Tap on the profile to view it in detail. Interact with people. If someone catch your eyes, you can like their profile and send a message or add them to favorite. Friendly messages get the best response. You can adjust filters like age, gender, location, and distance to refine your result and find the people you are most interested in. Enjoy meeting new people. Now you are ready to explore and meet new people nearby and safely and fondly. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.